Isang crucifixion kung saan ang dugo niya ang dadanak. Yan ang paliwanag ni VP Sara sa kanyang impeachment bloodbath comment last month. Sa kabila niyan, hindi raw niya uurungan ang paglilitis. Yan ang agenda report ng ating Mojo, Joan Manalo.
Dati nang sinabi ni VP Sara na mas gugustuhin niyang magpatuloy ang kanyang impeachment trial dahil nais niyang magkaroon ng bloodbath. Umani ito ng iba't ibang reaksyon, isa na rito mula sa Malacanang na nagsabing sana ay figure of speech lang ito. Matapos ang kanyang 47th birthday celebration sa The Hague, Netherlands, nagpaliwanag ang bise sa kanyang bloodbath statement.
We have always said that the impeachment is a political persecution. It is the administration going after me after I resigned from the cabinet. And if it's a persecution, it's some sort of crucifixion against me. Diba? And so when there's a crucifixion, there's blood. So it's a bloodbath, my bloodbath. I think many misunderstood the word bloodbath, and many didn't want to understand. So I'm just sad that many people refuse to understand the context wherein I give statements.
Sa kabila nito, patuloy pa rin daw ang paghahanda ng kanyang kampo sa nalalapit na paglilitis.
From the defense, the people can expect that they will do their utmost, their best in protecting the rights, my rights as an accused in an impeachment trial, and they will do their utmost as well to answer the allegations, the accusations. They have prepared for this since 2023.
Si VP Sara mismo, handa na rin harapin ang impeachment court.
Emotionally, I don't feel anything at all anymore about the impeachment because the first time I heard it in November 2023 from the mouth of former Congressman Castro, I was already preparing for it. Physically, I prepare for everything by making sure that I get the 8 hours of sleep and the vitamins that the doctors recommend that I take.
Isasagawa ng Senado ang reading of the Articles of Impeachment sa June 11, matapos itong i-reschedule mula June 2. Ayon kay Senate President Cheese Escudero, kailangan muna kasing pagtuunan ng pansin ang ibang legislative measures bago mag-adjourn ang 19th Congress sa June 13. Sa usapang reconciliation naman, ayaw muna magsalita ni VP Sara tungkol dito. Pero aniya, mas mahalaga ang kapakanan ng mga Pilipino more than personal issues.
Whatever personal grudges that we have, whatever personal problems that we have with each other is not really important. What is important is that the administration focus on the problems that we see every day in our country. We want a better life, better Philippines for everyone.
Nakatakdang bisitahin ni VP Sara ang amang si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa ICC headquarters bukas, June 3, bago siya umuwi sa Pilipinas sa June 4. Para sa agenda, Joan Manalo, Billionario News Channel.